To get a good private job or government job, you need to have a very good line of brain. Good brain line and a good luck line is required to get any kind of good job, either private or government. So these two lines are extremely important to get any kind of good jobs. This luck line is very important, and brain line is very important for getting any kind of good job. So the luck line should be long, and it should start from anywhere on the palm, but should reach directly up to the mount of Saturn, that is the mount below the middle finger. And you should have a very long and straight brain line. Apart from this, a very important line for getting good job is this line. That is one long line going upwards from starting from the line of life. That is a line starting from lifeline. If it is going upward, this line is very important for getting a good job, either government or private. So these three things will remain constant. These three things are that one line should go directly upward starting from the lifeline. Second condition is you should have very good brain line, long brain line, and there should be a good luck line in your hand. Apart from these three constant, other factors will change for getting a government job and private job. So in case somebody is trying for government job, in that case, if a person have very good mount of Jupiter, this mount is called mount of Jupiter. So if a person has very good mount of Jupiter as well as a very good mount of Mercury, and very good amount of Jupiter. At the same time, the person has sun line in his hand. In that case, the person could get good government job. He can qualify UPSC exams. Also. Now, if in a hand the mount of Mercury is good, this is very prominent, but mount of Jupiter is not that good, it's not that prominent, and sun line is also either missing or it's not in its good form. In that case, the person will get private job. So to get private job, there should be good amount of Mercury, but maybe the amount of Jupiter is not that good, and sun line could be either missing or could have some problem in the sun line. In that case, but all other conditions will remain same. Other conditions, that is, there should be good luck line, good brain line, and good line branch starting from the lifeline. These three factors should remain constant for getting any kind of good job. So for private job, this mount of Mercury should be good, mount of Jupiter will not be that good, and sun line could be missing also. In that case, you will get the private job, but you will get good private job. You can get job in MNCs where you will get chance to go out of the country. Again, if in a hand there is sun line, but both the mounts are not that good, but the little finger is very long and it is crossing the second pore of the finger. It is so long that it is crossing the second pore of the ring finger. In that case, the person will have very good career in as a lawyer.